Hi, I'm Heather from Strings and Threads. Today we're going to learn the shell border stitch. And I'm just using medium weight yarn. I went ahead and just made a small square just as a way to show you how to do the stitch. But if you did a big blanket or anything like that, it'll still work the same way as what we're doing for this small stitch. And then, I have medium weight yarn here. If you're curious, I'm doing an eye or a 5.5 millimeter hook. But all of that is going to depend on what kind of yarn you're using. If you're using a thinner weight yarn, you might be using a smaller hook. So adjust your hook size to match what the recommended size is for the yarn that you're doing. So I'm going to join in a corner here. And we're going to start by chaining one and putting a single crochet into the first stitch. Then we're not going to chain, we're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in that next stitch we're going to put 5 double crochets. And then we're going to skip 2 again. And 1, 2, and put a single crochet. That's basically the pattern except for the corners. And then we're going to skip 2, which will bring us to the corner, and we'll put 5 double crochets in that corner. The corner will be a little bit different because you need a little bit more to get around. Still stick with 5 double crochets. And then without skipping a stitch, you're just going to go into the next stitch and single crochet. That gives you a way to get around the corner. Now we'll skip 2, and then we'll go and do 5 double crochets into that next stitch. Skip 2 because this is so small, we're getting to the corner fast, but this will help so you can see how it works all the way around. Put a single crochet, and now in this corner we're going to do 5 double crochets like we did in the other corner. You're not going to skip any spaces right here because in the corner you want the single crochet and the 5 double crochets to be right next to each other. It gives a little bit more space in the corner. All right, then we'll skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and do a single crochet. Skip 2 and do 5 double crochets. When I say 5 double crochets, I just mean all in the same stitch. And then we're getting to the corner here. So we're going to skip 2, and then in this corner stitch we'll put a single crochet. And then in that first stitch here, well, I'm still in the corner. You can do it in the corner, or if you want to try to come around to the first stitch, you can. I'm kind of doing the corner here. I'll put 5 double crochets into that spot. And now we're able to skip 2, 1, 2, and then do a single crochet. Skip 2, 1, 2, and then do 5. And then sometimes it doesn't work out because if I did a single crochet here, we would be missing where a 5 would go. So we're just going to do 5 double crochets again into the corner. And it's okay if it doesn't work out perfectly. And then we're going to join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet that we put in there. And now we have a beautiful shell stitch border. If you enjoyed this, I'd appreciate if you'd give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I hope to see you again for my next video. Bye.